Hello, welcome to Campus Focus. My name is Heistbad, and on today's episode, we have a lot to talk about. Once again, don't forget that this is our first episode, and as always, my name is Heistbad, and I'm your host for this new show that we have on Magazine TV. Magazine TV is always bringing new content. Yes, our aim is to make sure that our students are comfortable. We are your mouthpiece. Yes, so we'll be right back after this break. So thanks for staying with us. My name is Heistman once again. So without wasting much time, let's dive in straight into the agenda for the day. See, the first thing that I want to talk about, like the main topic for the day, is what students being hungry, like being hungry for power. I think what? See, I have some that I will show you. I'll show you some of the things that I've been seeing on my my status. Okay, people's status. Very early in the morning, we are share this for me. Share this for me. Not that share this for me, Crampona Ehama dream. The thing is, they will start wishing you welcome back to school, happy vacation, and this and this and this. See, I've been in the tertiary institution, I'll say, for 2 years now, and those people that wishes welcome to school, safe journey back home. See, after you win the election, why do you stop? Why do you stop? These are some of them. Yes, see them. Bakude, another one, another one, another one. Like, how? Why? Why? And after winning to your policies or the things that you write in your manifesto, you don't do them. Then why? Are you seeing us to be fools? Talk to me. Are you people seeing us to be fools, or like we are not wise to? Don't worry. I don't blame you people. I don't blame you people. I blame the people that even end up voting for you and are not able to hold you guys to your words. But I mean, I'll say it too. We'll see it. Now, after we've shared these flyers for you, and you people won your elections and are now in charge of the various offices, why do we call, like, when we call you people? This one, I'm talking to all the SRC presidents, Legon, my very own Ghana Telecom, GCTU. Some will ask me what's the full meaning. Ghana Communication Technology University. Yes, Ghana Silicon Valley. SATS. That side of here. Close to Circle. Okay. Close to Circle. Makola Harvard. Me, I call it Makola Harvard. Yeah. Me, that's what I call it Makola Harvard. At Circle. And at HTU. You people, why is it that after SRC elections, when we call you guys know, like, why are we to say, you people are so... Why? Why? See, I don't want to mention names. I don't want to mention names. I have some people who contested for various positions in school. See, when you text them 2 a.m., 3 a.m., they're ever ready to pick up your call and attend to you. Listen to the nonsense that you have to say. As you now that they are in office, ask me whether they still have time for the common floor members. But we've forgotten that we are the ones who voted for you to be there. No problem. Abi, you think right now that we need tea, you can do anything and go away. Do all that. consider the good work. I only hope and pray that some people are treating us like this thing. After your SARS, you won't go for any position again. Cause me, I will tell the people that if they like, they should listen. If they like, they should do whatever you want to do. But me, see, tell them that they shouldn't vote for you because you are wicked. You are a wicked human being. You are hypocrites. You are hypocrites. I'm not talking to anybody. I'm not going to say anybody speak. But I'm talking to the SRC press. It's like I'm attacking the noise. I think every country that is contesting for positions, that's contested. You text them, see, you send them message, don't reply you. But when they win, that's why I like my previous SRC president. Wherever he is, I salute him. We call him Abrantier. And then we call him Abrantier. Mr. Bernard. Yes, he was our former SRC president, the recent one. And Ransford. Their pictures will be on the screen for you guys. These two guys' name, like, I can vouch for them. Why am I saying I can vouch for them? Because irrespective of our individual differences, they still attend to me. I'm not saying I'm special than any other person, no, but they still attend to me. I text them 2 a.m., 3 a.m., they reply. If I text them and they are not able to reply immediately, they say, oh, Heistman, also, like, we are sorry, like, I was in the middle of something, that's why I couldn't do it. I couldn't attend to your message fast. This is nice leadership. Wait, if he is running for another position again, and you think me, I won't come, I'll personally campaign for them. I'll personally campaign for them. Then, why? What is your issue? So if you respond to us immediately, does it mean that you are no longer the SRC president or what? Or does it mean you are no longer the SRC treasurer? Or does it mean you are no longer the SRC secretary or PR? Which nonsense is that? The reason why I'm saying all these things, like, I'm saying all these things, is because we are in the second semester. Some schools have already started, like Legon and KUST and Co. They are already in the second semester. They too will be resuming on the 18th. Other schools too would come, will resume soon. And I'm saying this because of the level 100s. Don't be fooled though. Right now, when you text them, they'll reply. When you text them, they will attend to you. When you text them and you tell them, like, you want to share your nonsense with them, even if it's 3 hours, they'll sit down and listen to you, give you good vote for them, and you see. Vote for them, and you will see. I'm saying this out of what? Experience. Saying this out. Some of them promise that, oh, if I win office, I will attend. Because you're man on the end. Me, right against anybody, I always see. I'm not against anybody, but the truth remains the truth. I will say it. I will say it. Yeah, in the second semester, very soon, some of them will start. You will start seeing their campaign flyers. For now, they are posting "Welcome back to school." Then they'll write some nice messages in the red. This semester should be filled of this. Don't worry. The semester is already nice. We don't need it. We don't need it. The semester is already nice. Just like be honest to us. Don't fake your lifestyle. Wabon. You are real, you are real. You are a passionate person, you are passionate. If you are rude, you are rude. Just be real. when you deserve that office, they'll give it to you. And don't go and do any bribery, or don't come and rig anything, or don't let it worry. Campus focus is here. Even if the thing happens in UDS, we will hear it and we will address it. We will hear it and we will address it. So today's episode, we are not going to keep it long. Yes, let me run and lead it. SRC elections are coming again. My fellow students, don't vote for anybody because now they're helping. Don't vote for anybody because this person belongs to Tescon, or this person belongs to Ting, or this person belongs to the new force, or the third force, or the 50th force, or 100th force. I don't care. Vote for that person based on your personal vibe with the person. People that can stand up for you. People that can defend you. Stop people that will promise you the whole world and leave you with nothing, like as if the devil, like you, Lucifer. The devil will promise you everything and leave you with nothing. Will give you all the wealth in this world, but at the end of the day, you will die and you will lose your soul. Don't vote for anybody that at the end of the day do she. Media. I've said my own. In the coming episodes, I'll be picky. For the meantime, they will address other issues. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to Campus Focus is 2 episodes per each week. So one day will be catered for this SRCP, and the second episode for the week will also be for other issues. We are going to take them on, unless I don't hear your name that you are going for this. And if you bribe me to, I will come and say it. Unless you pay me that I shouldn't talk. If you bribe me to, I will come and say it. You people should do the right thing. And what? Oh, we've suffered. Share my break. This is Campus Focus. My name is Tyson. Charlie, make sure if you look, the SRC people, my viewers, if you know anybody going for SRC position, or there's someone holding an SRC position that, was very cool, but rather on play, or show him shake it, drop it in the comment section. Drop it in the comment section and send this video to them. That is, change their ways. Change their ways. I think with this one, I need to be sharing Bible scriptures with you people every day, so that your brains will work. Yes. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel Magazine TV. You follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. Yes, subscribe to the channel and comment under this video. Share this to your friend so that they can watch it. Campus Focus is here to stay. And as always, my name is Iswat, and see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.